We have found a beautiful little German Shepherd puppy.
He's a male.
And the owners of this little puppy need to get rid of him. So we said, okay, we'll go ahead and take him, and we're gonna find him a forever home.
Gave my life, now I'm living twice. I was in my sin, knew I wasn't living right. I got Jesus to my left, Holy Spirit to my right. Homie, now I'm living.
What's up, everybody? Probably not that many of you. Welcome to a new channel. In today's first episode, I have so many plans and videos to do and to show you guys. We're on vacation right now in California, and we seen an opportunity, so we're gonna jump onto that opportunity. We have found a beautiful little German Shepherd puppy, and we're gonna find him a forever home. That's what we have done recently. We've been partnering up and creating a business where we help doggy parents find their little puppies forever homes. So that's what we're doing right now. We're on an opportunity to make this little guy find a better home, and we're gonna make some money while we're at it, so that's a blessing. We're gonna make sure he eats good, get him some exercise in until we find him his forever home where he will be happy and live a nice life. We're gonna keep him healthy and happy until he can find his forever happy, healthy
The reason we're not keeping
life.
him is because we already have 4 dogs of our own.
And everyone, this is a new channel, so those of you who don't know us, we have a family channel under Rose Gold Family, but this is our entrepreneur series. My name is Antonio, my wife's name is Yola, this is Ava Rose, and then Azalea is back here.
So we got the whole family on the way.
On vacation, but never stopped working. We can't give the puppy away like too cheap, because we got to make sure that the family is suitable financially for a new puppy. So we find a price range that is
reasonable. A doggy kennel is about $50+ if you don't buy it used on Facebook Market. Dog food is expensive, $30 to $40 to $50, $60. Okay, chew toys, blankets, pee pads, doggy bowls, treats. It all comes with responsibilities. Having a baby, literally, it's literally like having a baby.
It's expensive, so we want to make sure, our job is to make sure that this puppy goes to a healthy, happy home that is financially suitable for him. So that's why we had to rehome the puppy,
and we make sure they get shots too
at a fair price, so that we know that the new owners are going to be able to financially be capable of doing it. And then yeah, so that's what today's video is going to be about. We're on our way there right now on vacation. We're about to go to the beach, and we said, you know what, this puppy needs a home. That's what we do. Let's go get him a home. So we're gonna go get him. We'll show you guys him and take you along with us and how we grind, and it's all good, you know what I'm saying? So we're taking you guys along with us. Welcome to this new series, welcome to this new episode, this new chapter into our lives. We hope you guys enjoy it. If you like this video thus far, hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and if you don't like the video yet, just keep watching because you're gonna love it. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. We're about to pull up on this puppy. We had to pull out some cash, 600 macaronis, and then we're gonna get this little puppy, and then we're gonna basically find a forever home for him, and then we're gonna charge our fee, which is gonna be the difference between what we paid for the puppy, $1,000 for the pup, and we'll make $400 for our fee of making sure he gets to his forever home. And yeah, be ready to meet the pup. Alrighty guys, we just picked up this little puppy, and he's eating trash. Puppy! Panchito! Hey puppy! Hi! Look at you! You're so cute! You're so handsome! Are you excited to play with the puppy? Yeah! Hi puppy! Oh, you're so cute! Look at your eyes! You're so gorgeous, huh? You're a gorgeous puppy! You're a gorgeous puppy! Oh my goodness! So with this particular puppy and this particular client, I'm not going to give her name for privacy purposes. Let's just say her name was Cara. So Cara said that she purchased her puppy, and she just didn't realize how much work it is to raise, maintain, take care of a puppy. So that's the reason that she wanted to basically get rid of Pancho. We're calling him Pancho because that's what she originally named him. She named him Pancho. She was excited to have him, but she just couldn't take care of him. She didn't realize how big of the responsibilities it is when you have a puppy. However, she did not want to get rid of him unless she can make her money back, or at least most of it. She was going to keep him if she didn't get back what she paid for, but you got to keep in mind she was going to keep him under circumstances she was not ready for a puppy. That's when we come in, right? Because we are willing to pay you, you know, what you paid for your pup in order for you to kind of get rid of him. We will find him a happy home where they're going to take care of him, because I'm not saying that if she kept him she would not have taken care of him, but she just knew that she was not in position to care for a puppy, but she was not willing to let him go unless she made some money back. You know, the puppy's life and his well-being is more important. You know, I get it, it makes sense. She just didn't want her money to go to waste, and she purchased a puppy that she couldn't take care of. So she's like, even though I can't take care of him, if I don't get any money back, I'm going to try my best. And her best could have been enough, but luckily we met her and we said, hey, don't worry about it, we'll pay you $600 so that you you know, so that you could get your money back, and we'll find Pancho a better life. As you guys seen in the video, he's a cute little guy. He's very active, ready to go, cute little puppy. I think Pancho's 12 weeks, and we end up keeping him for about 2 weeks, taking care of him, feeding him. Kara actually got his shots. She had all his shots up to date, so she did do like what she was supposed to be doing as a doggy parent. The girls had fun. The girls hung out with him. He was a very great dog to be with. So we basically got to foster this little guy for about 2 weeks, take care of him, make sure he's good. We found him a forever home in San Bernardino, California, with a family. The son is going off to college, but he's still living at home to save money. He ended up taking in Pancho, and of course it's his new puppy, so he has the opportunity to rename him. He ended up renaming him Rocky. So Pancho was his original name with the first person, and then he transitioned into Rocky. So now his name's Rocky. We met him and some of his family, and you know, they seemed very genuine people, good hearts. So we're excited for Rocky and his new adventure with his new family. I will show you guys a video of him and his new home. Yes, we do make money and we make profit off of this, but we don't just do it for the money. We do it for the well-being of the dog. As you guys seen earlier in the video, we paid $600 for Pancho, and we're with him for 2 weeks. We end up rehoming him for, we initially wanted to rehome him for $1,000. However, again, it's not all about the money. So when we met this family, they were very nice people, loving, sweet, genuine. So we went and dropped the price to $850 for them to rehome Rocky. So if you do the math, the profit was $250. It was awesome. The girls got to foster this puppy, hang out with him, get to know him. He was an adorable dog, and then we also got to get him a new loving forever home. So to me, it was a win-win for everybody. I'm excited for this new journey. Thank you guys for everyone for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We do lots of different things, and I'm excited to share everything that we do with you guys on the road to 1 million. Thank you guys for tuning in. Peace.